Welcome to Pakistan's biggest private BT farmhouse, which is located in Multan. It is a popular attraction that features a variety of exotic animals, including lions, tigers, and a diverse collection of bird species.
Today is a wonderful day. Rameez has organized a wonderful event for all the Multanis who are around. So there are a lot of people who comes in, and we are very happy to see, because all walk of life, like students, the family members, they are really enjoying, and it's a wonderful event. Rameez, I heartfully congratulate you for organizing such a wonderful event, and looking forward to see this in the near future as well.
There is an Arabian Oryx on the left side as you enter. The Arabian Oryx is known for its distinctive white coat, which helps it to reflect sunlight and stay cool in the hot desert environment. Arabian Oryx have adapted to be able to go a long time without drinking water. They are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants like grass, roots, and tubers. A potato is an example of a tuber. Arabian Oryx are most active during the morning and evening. Both male and female Oryx have long, straight horns. The horns are used for defense and in male-male combat during mating season. Oryxes are social animals and live in herds. The size and composition of the herd can vary. Oryxes have a relatively long gestation period of about 8.5 months. Typically, a single calf is born, which stays with its mother for several months before becoming more independent. When threatened, Oryx can run at high speeds to escape predators. They are also known for their ability to leap over obstacles, which aids in their evasion tactics. In the next cage, there are the so many spotted deer. Spotted deer, also known as the chital deer, are captivating creatures native to the Indian subcontinent. They are easily recognizable by their reddish-brown coat with white spots. Spotted deer are known for their agility and speed. They use their speed to escape from predators and can also leap over obstacles. Males have antlers that are typically forked and shed annually. Adult males are generally larger than females. Spotted deer are herbivores, feeding on grasses, leaves, fruits, and shoots. Their diet can vary based on seasonal availability and habitat. These deer has a white spot on its throat, which is more noticeable in males. In addition, the tail of the deer has a white inner part. Some fallow deer are also here, which adds to the beauty of this farmhouse. Blacbuck are also present here in large numbers, which attract the visitors. Blackbucks are known for their incredible speed, with the ability to run at speeds of up to 80 km/h. This makes them one of the fastest land animals in the world. Male blackbucks have long, spiral horns that can grow up to 70 centimeters in length. These horns are used for both defense and attracting mates. Blackbucks are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants. Their diet consists mainly of grasses, but they also eat leaves, fruits, and flowers. Both male and females have white patches around their eyes, on their inner legs, mouth, underside, and on the rump. These animals reproduce 2 young ones in a year and carry their baby for 6 months. This farmhouse also has a llama animal. Many people would not consider llamas pets in the traditional sense. However, because they're friendly, social, calm, and easily trained, they're often a great option for people looking for a more exotic companion. They are not for everyone, and given their size and needs, are only appropriate for those with enough room to house them and care for them properly. Young llamas, or cria, drink milk from their mothers. This milk provides essential nutrients and antibodies that are crucial for their growth and immune system development. They typically nurse from their mothers for about 6 to 8 months before gradually transitioning to solid food. The main attraction of Pakistan's biggest private BT farmhouse are tigers. Here, you will find around 60 tigers and lions. They are provided with all the best facilities. You've probably heard that lions are the kings of the jungle, but did you know that lions don't actually live in the jungle? It's time they handed their crown to the real king of the cats, tigers. They're bigger, stronger, and heavier than all other cats. Tigers are the largest of the big cats. They have powerful muscles and are excellent swimmers. Each tiger has a unique pattern of stripes, much like human fingerprints. These stripes help them blend into their natural habitat, which is typically dense vegetation. Unlike lions, which live in prides, tigers are solitary animals. They usually establish and defend their own territory. Tigers use a variety of vocalizations to communicate, including roars, growls, and chuffing sounds. Their roar can be heard up to 2 miles away. Tiger cubs are born blind and helpless. Their eyes open in a week after birth, and they start walking by about 2 to 3 weeks old. Cubs grow rapidly in their first few months. They start to explore their surroundings and play with each other, which helps them develop hunting skills and physical coordination. Tiger cubs are born with stripes that are less defined than those of adults. Their stripes become more distinct as they grow. In the wild, tigers typically live around 10 to 15 years. In captivity, where they are protected from threats and receive regular care, they can live up to 20 years. Tigers have excellent night vision, which helps them hunt in low-light conditions. Their eyes are adapted to see in the dark and detect movement from a distance. In this farmhouse, you will also find white tiger, which is the main public attention. White tigers have been observed to grow faster compared to their orange relatives. They are bigger from birth and continue that pattern into their adult years. They are considered fully grown when they are 2 to 3 years old. However, this is extremely rare and happens only once in 10,000 births. On top of that, both parents must carry that unusual recessive white color gene in order to give birth to a white baby tiger cub. Now, us introduce you to King of the Jungle, the lion, who are here in vast numbers. Lions are the only truly social big cats. They live in groups called prides, which are usually composed of related families, their offspring, and a few adult males. Unlike tigers, lions hunt in groups. Females do most of the hunting, using teamwork and strategy to bring down prey such as zebras, antelopes, and buffalo. Lions are opportunistic feeders and will scavenge if necessary. Male lions are larger than females. Males are also known for their impressive manes, which can vary in color and size. Lions are known for their powerful roars, which can be heard up to 8 kilometers. In the wild, lions typically live to be around 10 to 14 years old. In captivity, where they are protected from threats and receive regular care, they can live up to 20 years. White lions have a unique appearance due to a genetic mutation that causes their white coat. White lions are extremely rare in the wild. Their white coloration is the result of a genetic trait that occurs in less than 1 in 100,000 lions. They are more commonly found in captivity than in the wild. White lions are often bred in captivity for conservation purposes, and they are featured in various wildlife reserves and zoos around the world. These breeding programs aim to increase their numbers and raise awareness about their conservation. For such a purpose, the pairs of white lions are placed here in this BT farmhouse captivity, so that their species can be furthered. White lions are a stunning example of nature's diversity and the challenges faced in preserving such unique creatures. Now, take you through the bird aviary section, where you will see many birds living together, which is very well managed. Unique and rare bird here is crowned cranes. The most striking feature of crowned cranes is their crown of golden feathers on their head. Almost all varieties of beautiful ducks are also main attraction here. Demoiselle cranes, white and black swan, flamingos, and many exotic birds collection are here in this aviary. There are many pairs of colorful macaw in cage. Macaws are known for forming strong pair bonds. In a breeding program, pairs are often chosen based on their compatibility and genetic health to ensure successful reproduction and healthy offspring. To facilitate successful breeding, macaws need a suitable environment that mimics their natural habitat as closely as possible. Scarlet macaw pairs also in cage, looking so attractive. Scarlet macaws are famous for their vivid coloration. They have bright red feathers on their body, yellow and blue feathers on their wings, and green feathers on their tail. This colorful plumage makes them highly recognizable. We have visited so many farmhouses across Pakistan, but the facilities provided in BT Farmhouse is so professional. Kept the care of all birds and animals are professionally. Please subscribe my channel, like, comments, and share my video.